any career uyithandayo noma yini, because that emotional fulfillment has nothing to do with your career and money. And as you grow, uzobona mawuqala uba now 24, 25. No, izinto azisenzi sense my so ufuna uyohlala emjondolo. You can't explain it why. Mina imisebenzi ngiyayithola, but I work for 2 or 3 days bese ngiyaxoshwa. You see, something is wrong. Because the universe will never allow you not to ukubusa ku-purpose yakho. Angeke. Izokunyakazisa ngayo yonke indlela. You'll lose your house. You'll be in debt. Yo, a lot of things will happen to you. But kuwe i-soul purpose into encane. Mhlambe is to make people happy, guys. Imagine umosha impilo yakho ngenxa yokuthi kumele nje uthi ebantwini, wow, you look beautiful. Ukhona umuntu one-purpose njalo ngeke ngimbale ngegama. Into yakho ukuthi athi ebantwini, wow, you look beautiful. That's all. That's her purpose. Akafuni nakuyibona. You understand? But every day, maye ngasho to 10 people, ukuthi, wow, you look beautiful. I love your eyes. And someone feels something. Leyo nto izo donate or something. Like, it's like izokunika favor in life. You understand? Like izokunika something in life. Yebo? Nami ngiyangicika ngiphinde ngivale nami myself. Because I do understand why I'm here, but sometimes you feel like you can do better with your life. Sometimes you feel like, no, I mean, I can be better. I'm very smart. But the purpose wants you to teach people about spirituality. That's what the purpose is. That's why yabo i-comedy siphinde sisuke kuyo singene spiritini. But ku-comedy, everyone loves me when I do comedy. Everyone, even you guys, you love me when we are laughing. But the dead ilda mina ebusuku mangiyolala. With so many people who are watching me, ngahluleka nje ukunitshela ukuthi cleanse your house and you can be better. For when I talk, someone does those things and impilo yakhe ivuleke. After so many years, ebelinde mina ukuthi ngisho njalo. Do you understand ukuthi i-purpose is so impactful to a certain extent? It's something useless, ne? But indlela engashintsha impilo yomuntu ngayo, you won't believe your eyes. Your friends will hate you for it. Your audience will hate you for it. And i-purpose ayina religion, ayina lutho. Ngoba iyayibusela, right? So sometimes you're a Christian, but i-purpose say ifuna uyokutshela ukuthi abantu abaphuza amanzi esiphethu. No, you don't know what is that. Why inyosho njalo ebantwini? Do you understand? Because your true self knows what is right for you, knows what is good for you, and knows what is the truth too. Your people will find you. Your people will always find you. Once you start to listen to it, uyawenza ama-conversation. Angiwenza ama-conversation. Into engiyenzayo kusiza abantu bathole i-purpose yabo. Iyona into engiyenzayo. I-conversation for me, angeke ngitshele namhlanje, ngitshela ngelinye ilanga. It's better to find your purpose. Why you sa-consulta? Uyoza like ngeyikoloto zokhokho bakho, whatever. Ongeke uzuzifulfill even today. You understand? Mina ngi-understand that. Why don't you want to inquire about your life, your soul? You understand? Because if uthola umhlahlandlela we-soul yakho and why you are here, obviously you'll work every day towards those things. And once you open that door, you start to embrace your gift. You embrace your purpose. Things will work out for you. Like anything will work out for you. But if you don't, you'll struggle. Because it will come back and test you over and over again. Some of you guys, your purpose is to help kids. Like, help kids in bed. Crash. That's where you're gifted. And if purpose is about kids, yeah, understand? Then you'll know, okay, mangiba Miss Rachel, and things will work out for you. Uzoba Miss Rachel while in South Africa, and things work out for you. You buy a car the same year. You buy a house the same year. You buy everything the same year. Yeah, understand? Because you are meant to be la Miss Rachel. But when you're an engineer, kanjani uzoshi engineering go Miss Rachel? Because there's better for you out there. You've worked so hard for this qualification. You've worked so hard to be in this position. Then uzoyotwasa. It breaks you even more. It wounds the connection. It stains your purpose. It stains your gift. Ngoba manje usenayo inhliziyo emnene for the kids. Now you're an evil person. Because you hate everyone. Huh? Do you understand? And the universe will allow you your twasal so that intuition yakho izohlahlamba and detach from a lot of things. Izokuyeka for you to suffer. Because kumele ube sober minded. Abanye benizoboshwa. You'll go to prison. And uzolala wedwa each and every night. Izoringa kahle leyanto. Because some of you guys nayibona nisebancane, right? Oh, I love being a teacher. I don't know why, but I just love it. And even now, you want to risk and be a teacher, but purpose has nothing to do with those things. That's why inganamsebenzi now. And yes, you are human, you'll evolve, you'll make a plan, you'll survive. Some of you guys don't survive, you kill yourself. You see? Please adopt me. I'm a 29-year-old lady. Lokuthanda ngiyokusaphi. Ngingakuthini. Ngingakwenzelani. Ayikho into engakunika yona baby. Ngiyintandane myself. Ngiyintandane myself. But purpose is very important, jokes aside. It is very important. Ma unesikhathi save 1.5.